Hey guys, it's Mima. Welcome back to my channel and a new video with me. If you're new, please click on the subscribe button, and if you're not, thanks for always coming back. So this video is just a short tutorial on how I make my thumbnail as requested. So firstly, I will go to my gallery to look for a picture for my thumbnail, a picture I snapped for that particular video I filmed. And now I'm sure of the picture I want to use, I'll be going over to my photo room. So this is an app that can remove the background of your pics and basically turn them to PNG pictures, if you know what I mean. So now I'm just going to be removing the background of this picture, but I will not be saving it as PNG. I'll save it with a white background. Oops, I can't take away the watermark because I'm not in to pay for this, so I'll work my way around it. So now I'll be going over to the Pinterest to look for a catchy YouTube logo for my thumbnail. I'll save them to my gallery. So after that, I'll be going over to my InShot app. I'll be clicking on photo and then select the picture with the white background. So the first thing I will be doing here is to crop out the watermark. And after that, I'll click on Canva to select the 16:9 frame because that's the appropriate YouTube frame. So now the next thing is I'll go to sticker and click on the add button and bring in the logos that I saved from Pinterest. So now I'm gonna edit the opacity of this logo so that it looks faint in the background and align with it. So I'll be doing the same with the other logo. So now I'll go to text and write up the theme of my YouTube video and also add a YouTube logo, and that's all for this thumbnail. So as you can see, it is not stressful, it is very easy to create. And lest I forget, my picture is looking a bit blurry, so I want to sharpen it. So I click on the adjust button, go to sharpen and increase it a bit. And now my picture is ready. This is my beautiful thumbnail. And then I save it. So now I'll be creating one more thumbnail for you to see. So let's recreate this thumbnail. So I have my pictures ready. So I'll be going to the photo room to get rid of the background for both pictures. But this time I'll be using a PNG background. That's the transparent background. So after that, I'll be heading to my Pinterest app to download a plain white background. So I'm scrolling through and I think I'm going to be using the small one that looks like it has a 16:9 frame. So I'm going to be saving that, and then we head over to the InShot app. So now we'll click on photo and then the plain white background and place it on the 16:9 frame. So after that, I'll be clicking on sticker and I'll bring in the first picture. And then I'll be bringing in the second picture. So right here I'm trying to use the second pics to cover the first pics watermark logo, just like this. So next I'll be going to my text to write up the theme of my video, which is crochet fox locks. So I'm adding a text label to it. I'll be using a brown color label and a white color text and a black color border. So now I'm going to front to select a particular front I feel like is suitable for this thumbnail. So now back to our label, I'll be reducing the opacity of the label a bit to fit in my picture. at the end I'll be using my texting to cover the second picture's watermark, and that is it. We are done. So as you can see, this is very easy, and I hope you give this a try and make yours even much better. So now it's covered, and I'll save my picture and I have my thumbnail. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment, share to your family and friends, and thanks for watching my video. Until next time, peace and love. Bye.